What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. If you're tuning in right now, you're in for a surprise, which is that right there. It's here. It came. I'm super excited. So with that being said, let's hurry up and open it. Yes. All right. It's open. It's open. All right. So we got a lot of bubble wrap. As always, bubble wrap. Look at this. It's there. Isn't that pretty? Let me get in the box so y'all can actually see. It's just sitting there looking so pretty. All right. We gotta get all our oil lines and coolant lines and whatnot. There we go. All right. All the stuff that's in there. Blah, blah, blah. But it's here, guys. I'm so excited. This thing is heavy, too. That I didn't know. Alright, so the turbo's here and slipping. Alright, got turbo. I think we might have a problem. So, this is the turbo. And the part, the turbo listed is a 3076 or a 3071, which it should not be. It should be this. It should be a 3576R, 0.94. This right here says a 0.60. So I'm not sure yet, but this might be the wrong turbo. Alright, give me a second. I'm gonna have to look something up. Alright, so I believe it's the right turbo. We checked the part number, and this turbo keeps popping up. So I think the instructions are just kind of universal, so they just slapped it in here. So we're good. Don't judge me. I'm gonna open this and put it up. Alright, here goes the turbo, and if you're wondering, it's heavy as shit. But look, it's beautiful. Look at that, look at that. Man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, so this is it. So, stay tuned, because that's going in the car soon. That right there is going in the car soon. Alright, Ace. Say what's up. Say what's up. Hey. Anyways, so I just wanted to give you guys an update of the channel. So that will be going in along with a lot of different other parts that I will show you guys later. But as always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and that's a wrap.